Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Public Health Engineering ke Sarkar Jylla Markus Marang habaya keren berkilat pathai kubor harin ka jingelang jong kinhon menteri kepada long mentak sengi kalai pawai trek urisau arajar arpulai ulaong hagabe dei bat kikindon jong snam arajar arpulai halor ka jing penlong yiki Eksamin ke Bynta ki saheb ke kunya ka kam Indian Police Service barabor yegani ka kam lale daga Union Public Service Commission Henry mentapat an penlong no daga commission jong ka Sarkar Jylla kata ke Mpsc Shisho hagani ka sengi nakal yang marak ulo batay ru halor ka jing penkelai ki uniform jong ki Pulit ka Jylla ki ban thungkam Thymmai ha ka bala dan ru ki kindon ki bat Thymmai ki bala pentrei kam ha ka day bat ka jing tap kam ya ki Pulit ka Jylla ban nakal yang ba Cyril ding do Commissioner Secretary jong ka Tanat General Administration Department ulo ong ba naka daw ka jing slam ban pendap ya ki jing thungkam ya ki Pulit ka Jylla larai ban pentrei kam no da ka wai ka rukom ka ba Hamstead bat ha ka por ka ba biang bat kindon ru hadu arajar san antara ki kam Pulit ki ban laj ha ki benai ban wan.
That is rule for conduct of departmental examination 2023 for officers of the Indian Police Services, that is IPS, and that file number is file number SPL.162/2017. Actually, for the departmental examinations for IPS was conducted by UPSC for promotions. Now it will be conducted by Mpsc here in the state. Number 5 item, that is revised uniform guidelines for recruitment of police personnel in Meghalaya Police. This is file number SPL.231/2023. So in this regard, there are certain recruitment rules which have been amended. I think by Cyril, is a Commissioner Secretary for GAP and personnel. He will give you little detail about that.
This is the recruitment for all ranks of police, including sub-inspectors, armed branch constables and unarmed branch constables, including fireman and MPRO operators. These are the rules which relate to the Central Recruitment Board, which conducts the recruitment for the police force. We had seen in the past that these recruitment would take quite a long time because of the various rules. So we have tried to streamline the rules so that we can ensure that the recruitment process is completed efficiently, transparently, in the fastest possible time. So these rules are quite a few, but just to summarize, these rules are to ensure that the recruitment process for sub-inspectors, for constables, both AB and UB, will be conducted efficiently and taking the least possible time. Thank you.
1 lakh?
It's about 2,500 vacancies. 2,500 vacancies in the police. Different. So basically, after these rules are now amended, it will be notified. And then once it's notified, the advertisement will be called for these vacancies, approximately 2,500. Actual numbers will be dependent on the advertisement. And then the CRB will try and ensure that the recruitment is conducted and completed at the earliest possible time.